For the windows, so I'm going to use tallow wood, which has a natural greasiness about it, hence the name tallow. So that weathers really well. It's often used for decking boards, floorboards, or window sills. So this is the section size that we're left with after running the material through on the router table. The cutter, the profile, leaves you the leading edge on the outside of the window quite fine. And on the underside here you can see the two rebates which allow for the glass to sit in, and then there's putty that fills up the back side of that to hold the glass in place. The two profiles on the sash windows have been routed in to fit. We've put in a floating tenon in there to join those, and those two will nest in nicely on each other like that. And then you've got the strength of the tenon holding them in as well, so once it's all glued up, she's going nowhere. We're going to have pivots from the central point so that the windows can pivot outwards slightly and let some airflow in and then shut back up. Traditionally, sash windows slides up and down, but not in this instance. So this is the door knocked apart. So we've run a groove with the router along on the inside of each adjoining board, and then that's, and like I said, created these hardwood strips that will then fit into that slot there, and then that enables them to fit into the next one, creating a weather-tight ceiling between each board. So we're just going to glue those in position now and help stop them from sliding down. No such thing as ducking down to Bunnings to get a door catch. You can see the ingenuity there. They made a little slide lock just to keep the door closed. So we've glued the floating tongues back in between the boards, and as you can see, that's blocked up the gaps in there now, and it's just a matter of reinserting the nails back in through to the cross braces, and then fitting the hinges off and hanging the door, and then tuning everything up and getting that back in place. Window frames we have to work with were a fair bit out of square, so we've built the frames around the window, and then we've cut those to fit the template. So with a bit of luck, they should fit in nicely. So these are the cleats on the outside that stop the window from opening too far, and then corresponding on the inside there, hold it shut, so that keeps it all pretty much weather tight.